everyone, I am here today to show you what I bought for the top of my desk here to protect it. And now I've been trying to find the best things to protect this desk, right? And so right now I have on this bendable piece of thick plastic that I bought on Amazon.com, and I bought it and then my husband cut it to fit my desk, which is very nice. And I like it, and it seems to be pretty much acetone resistant. And you know, I've been really careful with it though. And if you do get anything like that on it, you want to wipe that up right away. But still, if you can see that, it has like a shine to it, and it was supposed to be like a matte, you know, and not have a shine to it. So when I'm filming, I usually film with a white background, like my desk, right? Well, the shiny background kind of gets in the way of things. So what I was looking for on Amazon.com was kind of like an opaque cutting mat for food. You know, it's very durable, and I've had some smaller ones that even were acetone resistant. So in this box here, I bought on Amazon.com a cutting mat, and I believe I paid like $22 for it, and then I had to pay shipping, so it came to like $28. So let me open it up and I'll show you what it looks like. So here's the mat. It is 20 inches by 30 inches, and it's made in the US, heavy duty, and I think it's going to be really good. I think it's going to be acetone resistant, and that's a nice good size. So I'm going to take off the plastic wrapper. And all right, here is the mat on my desk right here, and this is going to work out really good. I mean, I'm going to be able to work on it and not have to worry about acetone. And the main thing though is it's not going to have that glare. And look at that glare. Do you see that glare? That is just with my plastic background, and that glare was just driving me wacko. And look at the difference. See what that does? And here's my lights up top here. These lights here, they shine down on it, and you can see them right there, but they're barely making any reflection. See that? But look, that really works good. I am really impressed by that. All right, I'm going to do an acetone test on this mat. So I have some pure acetone, and I'm going to put it right on here, just like that. Okay. Usually if acetone is going to melt plastic, it'll do it right away. So now I'm going to take this wipe, and I'm just going to wipe it up. Look at that. It isn't even doing anything to this mat. Look at that. Never even had any effect on it. That is awesome. I'm really impressed with that. Well, that's it. There's my mat. It's on my work desk and where I film, and I am really pleased with this mat. I mean, I think I made a great decision in purchasing it, and I wanted to share this idea with you. You know, maybe if you want to get yourself one, you'll look in the description box below, because I'm going to leave the link for the mat in there for you. And yeah, let's turn my lights on again and see. Look at that. Do you see that? There's no glare. I am really impressed. That's one thing that was really important to me. Look at that. You don't want that glare when you're filming. So yeah, look at that. That's going to be really good to film on. And that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. Yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.